In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change your iPhone passcode. Changing your iPhone passcode regularly is crucial for maintaining security. It helps prevent unauthorized access and protects your personal data in case your passcode is compromised. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of Face ID and Passcode. You will be required to first enter your current passcode. On this page, navigate onto the option of Change Passcode. Enter your current passcode once again. Then enter a new passcode that you will be using. Re-enter your new passcode to verify. Your passcode will get changed successfully. That's how easy it is to change your iPhone passcode. If you have any questions regarding to this tutorial, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.